Assalamu alaikum. Today's topic is unit number 1. Title of unit number 1 is responsibilities of youth. Today we will continue with our reading from page number 3 to 5 along with glossary of the text. Class first year, subject English. Now coming to page number 3, second paragraph. There followed in rapid succession other difficulties such as withholding by India of our cash balances, of our share of military equipment, and lately the institution of an almost complete economic blockade of your province. There followed in rapid succession. Rapid means tezi se, succession means in a series, in a line. Other difficulties such as withholding. Withholding means hiding, keeping. Cash balances. Institution means the act of economic blockade, इक्तिसादी मुहासरा करना of your province. Now coming to idiomatic translation. So there followed in rapid succession. After that there was a rapid succession. Rapid succession means a series of difficulties such as withholding by India, keeping by India of our cash balances. So India kept our cash balances. Cash balances means नक़द रकूम of our share हमारे हिस्से के of military equipment, and military equipment means फौजी साजो सामान. So India kept our cash balances and military equipment, and lately means recently, the institution of an almost complete economic blockade of your province. And complete economic blockade means मुकम्मल माशी और इक्तिसादी मुहासबा करना, बंदिश कर देना of your province. I have no doubt that all right-thinking men in the Indian Dominion deplore these happenings, and I am sure the attitude of mind that has been responsible for them will change. But it is essential that you should take note of these developments. I have no doubt मुझे कोई शुबा नहीं है that all right thinking men means all positive thinkers in the Indian Dominion means in the Indian government, deplore means condemn, malamat karna these happenings. So no doubt, so Quaid-e-Azam was confirm about that all right thinking people or positive thinking people of Indian government condemn these happenings, and I am sure the attitude of the mind that has been responsible for them will change. So he is in hope that attitude of minds, उन दिमागों की सोच जो कि इसके पीछे सरगर्म है, they will change. So it will change soon. But it is essential, it is important that you should take note of these developments, of these happenings. You have to take note of these happenings. They stress the importance of continued vigilance on our part. So what is the responsibility of the student? Quaid-e-Azam stress that the importance of continued vigilance. Vigilance means alertness, watchfulness of the youth on their part. What is on their part? It is their responsibility. This is the work which the youth has to done. What is this work? It is vigilance, continued vigilance. Continued vigilance means alertness, watchfulness. Your main occupation should be in fairness to yourself. In fairness to yourself, in fairness means honesty to yourself. So your occupation, your occupation, your work, तुम्हारा पेशा होना चाहिए, should be in fairness to yourself. Fairness means honesty to yourself, in fairness to your parents, honesty to your parents, and indeed bila shubha in fairness to the state और रियासत के साथ दयानतदारी. To devote your attention solely to your studies. To devote means to dedicate, वक्फ कर देना, your attention अपनी तवज्जो, solely Solely means completely to your studies. So what is the responsibility of you? To devote their attention to their studies. It is only thus that you can equip yourself for the battle of life. So it is only thus that you can equip, EQUIPT, there is a spelling mistake, EQUIPT. Equipped means then it is only possible that you will prepare yourselves for the battle of life, for the difficulties of life. So it will be then possible to prepare yourself for the battle means difficulties of life if you focus on your studies that lies ahead of you. So battle of life that lies ahead to you, difficulties of life that lies ahead to you, that will be in front of you in the future. Only thus will you be an asset and a source of strength and a pride of your state. Assets mean valuable things, asasa, and source of strength, strength means force, taqat, and pride, fakhr, to your state. So only in this way you can be an asset, source of strength and pride of your state. So Quaid-e-Azam trying to say that the youth should have to be vigilant and devote themselves to their studies, and they have to be very fair with their state, parents, and with themselves. Only in this way they can be an asset and a source of strength and pride of state. Only thus you can assist it in solving the great social and economic problems that confront it and enable it to reach its destined goal among the most progressive and strongest nation of the world. Only thus can you assist. Assist means help. Only thus you can help in solving the great social and economic problems that confront it, जिसका वो सामना कर रहा है, and enable it to reach its destined. Destined means its fate, अपने गोल तक पहुंच सके, destined गोल अपनी मंजिल तक पहुंच सके, among the most progressive and strongest nation of the world. Progressive, तरक्की याफ्ता, एंड स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट नेशन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, दुनिया के मजबूत तरीन ममालिक में पाकिस्तान अपनी मंजिल तक पहुंचने के काबिल बन सके. Many young friends, I would therefore like to tell you a few points about which you should be vigilant and beware. My young friends, so Quaid-e-Azam is calling the students as my young friends. I would therefore like to tell you a few points about which you should be vigilant. Vigilant, careful, watchful, and beware, and you have to be cautious, careful. First point is beware of fifth columnist among ourselves. Fifth columnist means that any group of people who weakens a larger group from within, जो किसी भी एक बड़े ग्रुप को अंदर से खोखला कर दे, so usually in favor of an enemy group or nation, so it is used as enemy. Fifth columnist, we have to beware, एहतियात बरतनी होगी और फिफ्थ कॉलमिस्ट अमंग ourselves. होशियार होना होगा, चौकन्ना होना होगा. हमारे मुल्क के अंदर, हमारे वतन के अंदर जो फिफ्थ कॉलमिस्ट हैं, वी हैव टू बी वेरी बीवेयर, होशियार होना पड़ेगा उनसे. सेकेंडली, guard against and weed out selfish people who only wish to exploit you so that they may swim. Guard means protection. Protection against the enemies. And weed out जड़ से निकाल देना. Selfish people who only wish to exploit you, misuse you, so that they may swim, so that they may succeed in exploiting you. Thirdly, Learn to judge who are really true and really honest and unselfish servants of the state who wish to serve the people with heart and soul and support them. Third point is learn to judge. Learn to judge means judge other people. You have to be very judgmental. Learn to judge means लोगों को पहचानना सीखो who are really true and really honest and unselfish servants of state. Who are true जो सच्चे हैं, really honest ईमानदार हैं, and unselfish means जो बेलॉस हैं of the state, unselfish servant बेलॉस खादिम हैं of the state who wish to serve the people with heart and soul, जो दिलो जान से मुल्क की खिदमत करना चाहते हैं and support them. There is another matter that I would like to refer to my young friends. There is another thing which I would like to refer to, जिसका हवाला देना चाहता हूँ. My young friends, hitherto you have been following the rut. Hitherto अब तक, you have been following तुम लोग चल रहे थे, द रट पुराने तरीक़ों पर, पुराने रास्तों पर. रट मीन्स अ लॉन्ग डीप ओल्ड पैसेज. रट अ लॉन्ग डीप ओल्ड पैसेज. तो अब तक तुम पुराने तरीक़ों पर चल रहे थे. यू गेट योर डिग्रीज एंड व्हेन यू आर थ्रोन आउट ऑफ दिस यूनिवर्सिटी इन थाउजेंड्स, ऑल दैट यू थिंक एंड हैंकर फॉर is government service. You got your degrees जब आप अपनी डिग्रीज हासिल करते हैं, and when you are thrown out of this university, and और जब आप यूनिवर्सिटी से बाहर जाते हैं in thousands, हज़ारों की तादाद में, all that you think and hanker for is government service. आप सब लोग, hanker means desire, you desire for government servant. So all the degree holders which completed their university, their education, they desire for government service. As your Vice Chancellor has rightly stated, the main object of the old system of education and the system of government existing. As your Vice Chancellor has rightly stated, जैसा कि आपके वाइस चांसलर ने बजा तौर पर बताया, द मेन ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द ओल्ड सिस्टम ऑफ एजुकेशन, पुराने निज़ाम तालीम के बारे में, एंड द सिस्टम ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट एग्जिस्टिंग, और मौजूदा निज़ाम हुकूमत के बारे में. हितरटू अब तक was really to have well trained, well equipped clerks. So what was the main object of old education, old system of education and the system of government was to create well trained and well equipped clerks. उनका मकसद था कि बेहतरीन क्लर्क पैदा करें. Of course, some of them went higher and found their level, but the whole idea was to get well equipped clerks. Of course, बेशक some of them went higher, they got their higher levels, they got their positions and found their levels, but the whole idea was to get well qualified clerks. Civil service was mainly staffed by the Britons, and the Indian elements was introduced later on, and it went up progressively. So civil service was mainly staffed by Britain. In civil services, the most of the staff was Britain, and later on they hired some Indians. So Indian elements was introduced later. It means that initially the staff of the civil services was based on Britons, and later on they hired some Indians to civil services, and it went up progressively. And it went up progressively means और इसमें मज़ीद इजाफा होता गया. Well, the whole principle was to create a mentality. The whole principle, असूल, एक ऐसा असूल सिर्फ वो जहनियत या वो सोच पैदा करना है. To create a mentality, a psychology, and a state of mind that an average man, when he passed his BA or MA, was to look for some job in government. So the whole प्रिंसिपल वॉज टू क्रिएट मैंटेलिटी, एक ऐसी जहनीत, एक ऐसी सोच पैदा करना है दैट एन एवरेज मैन व्हेन ही पास्ड हिज MA और BA वॉज टू लुक फॉर सम जॉब इन गवर्नमेंट. सो व्हाट इज़ द डिज़ायर और व्हाट इज़ द गोल ऑफ एन MA or BA पास्ड पर्सन? ही हैज़ टू लुक फॉर अ जॉब इन गवर्नमेंट. इफ़ ही हैड इट, he thought he had reached his heights. If he had it, अगर वो उसे पा लेता है, he thought he had reached his height. If someone got government job, he thought that he reached to his height. I know, and you all know what has been really the result of this. We all know that what is the result of it. Our experience has shown that an MA earns less than a taxi driver. हमारा तजर्बा ये बताता है कि MA पास बंदा एक टैक्सी ड्राइवर से कम पैसे कमाता है. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द सो कॉल्ड गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट्स आर लिविंग इन अ मोर मिजरेबल मैनर देन मैनी menial servants who are employed by well-to-do people. And most of the so-called government servants और ये मुलाजिम, सरकारी मुलाजिम, are living in a more miserable बहुत बुरी हालत में रहते हैं देन मैनी menial servants. Menial means a person who work with their hands, मजदूर. Menial servants who are employed by well-to-do people. और ये उन लोगों से भी, ये सरकारी मुलाजिम उन लोगों से भी ज़्यादा बुरी ज़िंदगी गुजारते हैं जो हाथ से काम करने वाले लोग होते हैं और जो अमीरों के घर काम करते हैं. Now I want you to get out of that rut and that mentality, and especially now that we are in free Pakistan. Now Quaid-e-Azam want to realize the new students that now you have to get out of that rut. You have to leave the old path and that mentality, and especially now when you are in free Pakistan, you have to leave that old rut. Government cannot absorb 1,000, impossible. Government cannot absorb 1,000. It is impossible for the government to employ thousands of students in government jobs, because it is impossible. There are not that much opportunities. But in the combination to get government service, most of you will be demoralized. But in competition to get government service, most of you will be demoralized, disappointed, himmat haar jana. In getting government service, most of you become disappointed. Government can take only a certain number and the rest cannot settle down to anything else. It is obvious, it is a truth that government can take only few peoples and the rest, Baki tamam, cannot settle down to anything else, and being disgruntled are always ready to be exploited. Disgruntled means angry. So government can only take a certain number of people for their services and the rest cannot settle down to anything else. Or they cannot settle down means anything else, किसी और नौकरी में वो मुलाजमत नहीं कर पाते. And being disgruntled, और वो एंग्री हो जाते हैं, गुस्सा हो जाते हैं, और always ready to be exploited, and in their anger they are exploited. They are ready to misused by the persons. They are ready to misused by the persons who have their own access to grind, जिनके पास अपनी कुल्हाड़ियाँ होती हैं इनको कुचलने के लिए. Now I want that you must divert your mind, your attention, your aims and ambition to other channels and other venues and fields that are open to you and will increasingly become so. Quaid-e-Azam is saying to the youth, you have to divert your minds, your attention, your aims and ambition to other channels, दूसरे रास्तों की तरफ, and to other avenues. दूसरी मंजिलों की तरफ, that are open to you and will increasingly become so, and they are increasing slowly and gradually. There is no shame in doing manual work and labor. हाथ से काम करने में, मजदूरी करने में कोई आर नहीं. There is an immense scope in technical education, for we want technically qualified people very badly. So in New Pakistan, in Free Pakistan, there is not only need of government servants, civil servants, but there are other channels, other avenues open. So there is an immense, huge scope in technical education, for we want technically qualified people very badly. So in New Pakistan, in created Pakistan, in Pakistan where they got freedom, they have to they want qualified technical people. You can learn banking, commerce, trade, law, etc. So there are many fields open to you. There are requirement of technical qualified persons, the bankers, commerce, trade and law also, which provide so many opportunities now. Already you find that new industries are being started. नई सनतें खुल रही हैं. New banks, new insurance companies, new commercial firms are opening, and they will grow as you go on. And they will grow as you go on, और ये भी तरक्की करते जाएंगे जैसे ही आप आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे. Now these are avenues and fields open to you. Think of them and divert your attention to them, and believe me, you will there benefit yourself more than by merely going in for government servant and remaining there in what I should say a circle of clerkship, working there from morning till evening in most dingy and uncomfortable conditions. Think of them and divert your attention to them. इनके बारे में सोचो और अपनी तवज्जो इनकी तरफ मबसूल करो. And believe me, you will there benefit yourself more than, and you will be benefited और आपको ज़्यादा फ़ायदा होगा by merely going in for government servant. सरकारी मुलाजमत में जाने से ज़्यादा फ़ायदा आपको इन दूसरे शोबों में होगा. एंड रिमेनिंग देयर, और सरकारी मुलाजमत में आप वहाँ पर रहते हैं इन व्हाट आई शुड से अ सर्कल ऑफ क्लर्कशिप. So in government servant you are just clerks working there from morning till evening in most dingy means cheerless and uncomfortable conditions. So you work there in cheerless and uncomfortable conditions. You will be far more happy and far more prosperous with far more opportunities to rise if you take to commerce and industry, and will thus be helping not only yourselves but also your state. You will be far more happy, बहुत ज़्यादा खुश होंगे, far more prosperous, बहुत ज़्यादा खुशहाल होंगे, with far more opportunities, बहुत ज़्यादा मौके होंगे, to rise if you take to commerce, if you go to commerce or industry, and will thus be holding not only yourself, you will not be helping yourselves but also your state. So you will be helpful to yourself and also to your state. State means riyasat. I can give you one instance. Instance means example. I know a young man who was in government service. 4 years ago he went into a banking corporation on 200 rupees because he had studied the subject of banking, and today he is manager in one of their firms and drawing 1500 rupees a month in just 4 years. So Quaid-e-Azam is giving an example of a person which he know. So he was in a government service, and 4 years ago he went to a banking job, and on 200 rupees. So he started their banking job earning 200 rupees, and after 4 years now he is the manager in one of the firms, and he is earning 1500 rupees per month. In just 4 years, these are the opportunities to have, and I do impress upon you now to think in these terms. These are the opportunities, यही वो मौके हैं to have and I do impress upon you. यही वो मौके हैं और मैं आपके जहनों में ये बात बिठाना चाहता हूँ कि आप भी इसी तरह की सोच को अपनाएं. In lesson responsibilities of youth, Quaid-e-Azam is reminding the students how they get freedom and what to do in their new state. So they have to be very fair with their studies, their parents, and with the state. They have to be vigilant, and they have to be focused. They have to devote themselves to their studies, and they have to become courageous and helping and helpful hand to their state. They have to leave the old rut. They do not chase the government services only, because there is very minimal opportunities in government service. They have to choose other ways and other channels, so they will be more prosperous in other fields, because they will because by not getting government jobs, people are here to exploit them. So they have to, Quaid-e-Azam want to say that they have to focus or divert their minds by pursuing other fields, and there is a lot of scope in technical education, he said. Now coming to glossary, butchered. Butchered means killed, or a person or people indiscriminately, बग़ैर किसी तफरीक के, और brutally means बहुत ज़्यादा बेरहमी से. Butchered ज़बा करना. Chastened have a resisting or moderating effect on. Convocation, a large formal assembly of people. Dingy, gloomy or drab. Drab means cheerless. Disgruntled, angry or dissatisfied. Exploit, make full use of and derive benefit from a resource. बेजा इस्तेमाल करना. Fifth columnist. A fifth column is any group of people who undermine weakens, कमज़ोर कर देते हैं, a large group from within, usually in favor of an enemy group or nation. Hanker, feel a strong desire for or to do something, a desire. Holocaust means destruction or slaughter on a mass scale, especially caused by fire or a nuclear war. Incumbent means necessary for someone as a duty or responsibility. Instance means example or a single occurrence of something. Laurels, bestow and award. Bestow जो इनामात अतियात दिए जाते हैं, and award or praise on someone is in recognition of an achievement. Rut, a long deep track made by the repeated passage of the wheels of vehicles. So rut means old way. Shackles, a pair of fetters connected together by a chain used to fasten a prisoner wrist or ankles together. Bhediya, handcuffs. Shackle means handcuff. thwarted, prevent someone from accomplishing something. Upheaval, a violent or sudden change or disruption to something. Weed out, remove unwanted plants from an area of ground, remove something unwanted. Weed out, जड़ से उखाड़ देना. Now coming to activity, your activity is you have to learn glossary of the text. Thank you.